Beating Monday blues be like turning on the out of office and heading straight into the heart of the nature. Welcome to the Sandbanks Provincial Park, our very first Canadian camping adventure. Spoiler alert, it was magical. We landed at a cozy little campsite tucked among the trees, nature, peace, and lots of fresh air. Time to pitch the tent. Let's just say YouTube tutorials were our best friend. Grill mode on because food tastes better when made under the sky. And that's how a day well spent and memories well captured. And don't go yet, we have more to share. Stay tuned. And then come our favorite part, campfire stories, stargazing, and a bit of sparkle in the night. Next day, we headed to the famous outlet beach. White sand, gentle waves, and time just stood still. We didn't need a passport for this paradise, just a drive, a tent, and a little spark of adventure. First time camping in Canada, 10 out of 10 would recommend Sandbanks, and we'll be back soon.